What's up guys, Brian with the SoCo Customs YouTube channel. We sent this 2012 Jeep JKU up on the 3-inch zone kit, but before we dive into that, here's that housekeeping we always talk about. If you are returning, make sure you click that bell symbol so that you don't miss out on any of the content that we are producing. For those of you that are brand new here, make sure you click that thumbs up, click that subscribe button, and leave a comment in the comment section below. It gets it in front of eyes just like yours, tells YouTube that my content's relevant, and brings more people to the channel. Be a friend, tell a friend. Thanks. This Jeep came in bone stock, but it's actually going to be featured in a couple of magazine articles, so the owner of it wanted to lift the vehicle, get it nice and off-road ready. Make sure you keep an eye on the description as we will post details on that article soon as it's written, of course. Let's go.